In this video, I will teach you how to make $100 a day passively. I will provide real-life examples to help illustrate how you can do this. Watch the full video to understand everything. Making money online is a dream for many people. There are several ways like joining surveys, investing in cryptocurrency, and more. However, these methods are quick but don't necessarily generate income while you sleep for a substantial time. Several posts are already available on the internet about making $100 per day. So let me focus on helping you earn $100 per day regularly. That's about $3,000 per month. Isn't it fantastic? Let's start this right now. Before getting into the details, let's first understand what it means to make money online passively. Passive income is money that you earn without actively working for it. It doesn't mean you'll not work hard. Well, you will. But after you've met your goal, you don't always need to put in the same amount of effort as before. You're simply earning a commission or interest on that work. It's the opposite of active income, which most people are used to earning. With active income, you trade your time for money. You work for an hour and get paid for that hour. For example, I make around $100 or more in passive income through Ezoic ads. There are many ways to make money passively, including rental income, royalties, and more. But I'm going to focus on the ones that have worked for me, and then I will enlist other ways for you to try as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Display ads by Ezoic or AdSense. The first method to passively make $100 a day that I have tried and tested is by displaying ads. Google Ads is the leader in the market, and you can display these ads through Google AdSense. Google believes that 3 types of sites make the most money with ads. These are forums, tools, and content sites. After creating either of the sites, you can display ads by Google and start making money. Here's how to start displaying ads by AdSense or any other company. Create your account, add your website or blog, copy the ad code provided by the ad network, and paste it into the header or footer of your site. After that, they will review your site to ensure it meets their guidelines. Once it's approved, the ads will start displaying and you will begin to make money. Examples and what it takes. Have a look at this tool that analyzes sites and gives you an SEO report. I built this tool site with a PHP script titled Turbo Website Reviewer, which I bought on CodeCanyon. You can target high CPC keywords to earn a substantial amount of money. Another pro tip is running different scripts on the same domain. This way, you save many hosting costs and don't need any approval from ad networks. But it doesn't just happen overnight. You need to bring in a lot of visitors to your site. For that, you must create a lot of valuable content for your audience. For example, I have over 120 plus posts on the HEducate blog at the time of writing this post and many posts on forums. Number 2, leverage the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best and most popular ways to make money online. It's a process where you promote someone else's product or service and get a commission for every sale that you make. Of course, you need to drive traffic to promote your affiliate links. You can start affiliate marketing with these steps. Find a product or service that attracts your audience. Sign up for the relevant affiliate program. Get a unique tracking ID or affiliate link and start sharing it across your content pieces. And whenever someone buys the product or service through your link, you will earn a commission. That can be little, you think, but when hundreds or thousands of people buy through your link, it can add up to a lot of money. Have a look at a real-life example of what earnings through CJ look like. This is how I make most of my income online, and it's a great way to make $100 a day passively. But again, you must have some content or tool that people actively use and visit. There are several affiliate marketing programs out there, but the ones I mainly use are CJ Affiliate, ShareASale, and individual platforms like the Bluehost affiliate program. The best part is that you don't need your product or service. You can simply promote other people's products and services and make a commission on every sale. Number 3, sell your services. Freelance writing, designing, SEO. This is the most common way to make money actively. But I have still included this here because this business model helps you earn passively if you think like an entrepreneur. You learn a valuable skill, offer your services, and earn $100 a day or more. That's called freelancing. And then you hire people and outsource your work to create a passive income stream. There are many ways to sell your services, but the most common way is through a website or online marketplaces like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. But you can run ads for others and do many more things you are good at. that. Number 4. Sell a digital product, course, memberships, ebooks. Selling a digital product is better than offering a service because there is no one-time limit to the number of times you can sell it. You create it once, and people can keep buying it repeatedly. Digital products can include ebooks, online courses, membership sites, software, or anything that is electronically deliverable. The best part is that you don't need to have any previous experience selling a digital product. You can use Shopify or Thinkific to create and sell your product like me. But first, you must add value to the people around you. I have helped many people build their businesses with my courses online. And the best part is that I continue to earn money from them passively without doing anything. Number 5. Sponsored posts, blog, YouTube, social media. Companies want to work with you to promote your products or services when you have a large and engaged audience. You can start by reaching out to the brands you already use and love. Or you can search for relevant sponsorships on websites like sponsorships.com. That proves you can at least earn that amount of money in a month if you do it right. And you can do it whether you have a blog, social media page, or more. The following 5 methods are great, but I don't use them to generate passive money online. However, you may look into these further if they appeal to you. How long will it take to make $100 a day? It depends on how much work you are willing to put in. If you want to make $100 a day passively, it may take a while to set everything up and get it running. But if you are willing to work hard, you can make this money in a day or two with ads. With a blog or forum, you can start making $3,000 per month within a year or more. It all depends on what methods you use and how much effort you are willing to put in. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.